What is going on, guys? So this is just kind of a quick update video, but basically I am bringing down my bank account to almost $0. Now it's not going to stay there for very long. However, as of now, it's kind of my game plan to basically not spend almost anything on anything, right? So what do I mean by that? I mean, literally having fun is not truly going to be in the books for me for the next around 3 months here. And the reasoning behind this is because as of right now, I have been seeing a lot of very, very good investments in my opinion. And all of these I used to not be able to do in the past just due to the capital cost of starting it, as it would cost, as well as I've partnered with some amazing people that have that are expert. I can't speak. Experts in their field. So I'm very happy. A lot of these are almost extremely passive. Just a little bit work. I really can't talk today. Just a little bit of work is required on my end, as well as just a lump sum of cash, quite a big lump sum. But yeah, so right now I'm looking at making almost another $50,000 investment. This would basically be my Tesla Model 3. Now you're wondering, how can a Tesla be an investment? Well, as you guys know, the Corvette, it cost me $50,000 as well, and that basically is bringing me over $3,000 a month cash flow. $3,300 was the first month. So I want to do the same thing with Tesla. I am right now debating if I should just finance it or if I should just pay it in cash because I do have it. So that is again a $50,000 investment. I am again as well then doing another automated Amazon store. So I'm looking at another $40,000 for that. So right now that's at 90. I'm looking at investing around 50 into an oil company that's a lot risky. Even my lawyer told me not to do it. But that is 140 now. And then besides that, I think that's almost about all the investments I'm trying to make. I'm trying to get a little bit more into real estate. But right now, my 2 rental properties are closing, so I kind of already put those costs. But for example, one property cost me basically $64,000 down, and then the other one only cost me $30,000 down. So again, that's $95,000. But again, I already kind of spent that money in a sense, or like it's out of my mind in a sense because I've kind of pre-spent it. But yeah, so right now we're at 140, and then I'm looking to get into a real estate fund as an accredited investor. So I have a consultation call coming up here that I kind of want to look into, see if it's the right thing for me, see the cash flow, all of that option, how much I need to invest. So again, that's an option, but I'm going to guess that's going to be around 50 to 100. So right now it's going to be $200,000, which is almost going to drain my bank account. At that point I might have like 40-ish left. Now you're wondering, why would I do this? Because I'm setting myself up for future success with that passive income, right? One Amazon automation store brings in $2,500. If the second one can do that as well, then that's $5,000 a month profit on top of what I already have. And if you guys haven't seen how much I make in a month passively, it's almost $11,000. So again, I'd be upping it to 16. You guys know my goal is 21,000 within the next year. So if I keep going like this, I might be able to achieve it even sooner. So then yeah, and then I kind of want to see with the Tesla, because maybe that can bring me in another $2,000 a month, because then instead of 16, I'd be at 18,000 passive a month. And then the real estate, I'm most likely going to estimate if I put in, let's just say 50,000, I'd be getting around a 6% cash flow that I would get paid monthly. So basically, obviously that's $3,000 a year, so another $500. So again, but it all adds up. So that's kind of what I'm looking to do. But yeah, so that's kind of why I'm draining most of my accounts due to that fact. Now the rental properties are bringing in right around $100 to $300 per month. One's bringing in $200, the other one's just bringing $150. So it's not, or $151. It's not a lot of cash flow, right? However, I am building equity. I'll refinance later. Again, that's a different video. But that's kind of my game plan right now. Is I'm spending money because I think it's a great time to. I have a steady income currently. So it's not really like, oh, I can't pay my bills, I've gotten my bills down quite tremendously as I've kind of cut back on a lot of stuff. By that I mean stupid $2,000 plus dinners, 5,000 plus bottles of, I don't even know how much champagne. But yeah, so I'm just cutting down on a lot of dumb costs that I have done previously, and truly kind of frugalizing, minimalizing my life. I'm really into that right now, especially as I'm about to start traveling. And again, that's not going to cost me stuff, and I can make a video on how I travel the world for free. But yeah, so that's basically all my game plans in order to spend my money, the reasoning behind it, and I think I can really set myself up for success here by doing all of these different things. But again, rewards don't come without risk, and every investment has some risk. So again, if you guys do some of these, be careful, right? Look at the risk to reward ratio. Maybe it's worth it for you, maybe it's not. But if you have any questions, comment it down below, I'll answer that. And besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want some free stuff, click the links down below. There's a lot of free stuff for you guys. Don't forget to like and sub. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.